How do I appeal a denial of long-term disability by Sun Life? Hi, I'm Kevin McManus. I'm a long-term disability attorney, and I'm here to answer that question for you. Well, if you were denied long-term disability by Sun Life, your denial letter that you got from Sun Life is going to tell you a lot of things. It will tell you why they denied it. There will probably be some language that they cite from your medical records or from your policy. They'll give some rationale or reason. And I'm not saying it's right. It could be completely inaccurate or incomplete. But whatever their reason is, that's where you need to start looking first. And that denial letter will also lay out at the end what your rights are. If this was a group policy that you got through your employer, chances are it's governed by a federal law known as ERISA. And ERISA has very specific rules and regulations on how to proceed after a denial of disability or any benefit that's governed by ERISA. And the first step in an ERISA policy, like those that are often provided by Sun Life, is to appeal a denial. Now, there's one of the tricky aspects of ERISA is if you appeal the denial and you submit information to Sun Life to support, overturning that denial, and Sun Life upholds their denial, many times you're foreclosed from submitting any further information. And it's just one of the very tricky ways in which ERISA tilts the balance of power in favor of the insurance companies and against the consumer. So for that reason, it's extremely important. And that's just one example. There's so many different ways, but it's extremely important for you to get with an experienced long-term disability attorney early in the process. Our office handles these sorts of appeals. We handle the litigation if the appeal is not successful, but ultimately, you've got to pay attention to these special rules. If you don't follow those rules, if you don't submit a complete appeal early, if you don't do it timely, you are positioning yourself in a very precarious and dangerous situation where you're not going to get the benefits you deserve. And we've seen it time again where folks have tried to handle their appeals on their own and they just write a letter saying they appeal, and it just ruins their chances of recovering the benefits they deserve. So if you're in this situation with Sun Life, I urge you to pick up the phone and call us. Again, we will review that denial letter for free, and we'll provide you with a strategy on how to fight back. So call us today.